Everyone's gonna get you now. Hey, can I have you guys go sit down, please?
How you doing, Alex? You excited?
I'm good, dude.
Totally excited.
Excited too.
You guys excited?
Yes, we are. Look how excited I am.
Totally excited. Look how excited these guys are. They're jamming out already. That's how excited they are. Yes, he does. But he's proud of it.
Alright. Why are you making this video?
Just the beginning of the show, through the show, when the show is, after the show, you know.
AC Productions? No. Chant Productions. Chant Productions.
C.
A.
H.
A. N. T. Yeah.
Chant.
Chant. Wait, you didn't get it. N. Chant. Chin. Chin, what is today, Chin? Today is the Sunday school kickoff. And we are so happy to see you here today.
Let's just start putting up our letter.
The question
and then
is,
we'll start doing it.
are you ready to worship?
How are you ready to worship?
I guess I am.
How's ready to
I
worship?
guess I am. I got my H.
Cut the H's out, dude.
That's an H.
Oh, I see. I was like, I see the
Lowercase H.
I don't know how you do that. Let's go meet the audience.
Next player.
Did you take it?
We need to do it so everyone looks up.
Let's take it there.
Alright, let's go meet the
Let's go,
audience.
guys.
So who do we have here? Who's Mary's friend?
Yeah,
This is my aunt.
Mary. This is Mary's aunt.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to bring my camera.
Like, you were nice today.
This is Alex.
Hi, Linda.
That's Chi. That's Chim. He's one cow.
No, I'm fine.
How to sing.
Alright, let's go.
What are you wearing?
Okay.
Just
Here's Alicia.
How was homecoming?
I'm so tired from it.
I thought we were gonna go meet new people, Chew.
Are you really recording this?
What happened?
What are they doing? What are they doing?
But you told us to go do it.
What are they doing? What is he doing?
We're gonna go meet more people.
It's an interview of Chim.
Hi, this is Chim.
A new friend here. You want to introduce your friend to the camera?
Looks like something's not changed. Did you only bring them to win $50?
That's messed up.
Wait, $50?
I totally got it, Alex.
Oh, okay. Did you only bring them to win $25?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. At least you admitted it. I should have zoomed in.
I should have zoomed in.
Yeah.
You should have zoomed. That was the epic part.
That's what we should go. That's what we should go ask all the guests. Did you?
Hi.
What's up?
I would have too.
Should I stop it now? Should I stop it now?
Yeah.